Good morning traders, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of the precious metal gold. Guys, as you remember, the last week was not very much volatile and the market was moving in sideways range. We have seen a consolidation not only in the precious metal gold but also in the other currency pairs. Well, one of the major reasons why we didn't see any major market movement was the lack of major economic events from any economy. However, if we speak about the economic events which are coming out later this week, are also going to be low impacted economic events, and these may not be able to drive any major price action in the market. Well, if I speak about the economic events that we can expect and that can drive some market movement in the market in the precious metal gold are going to be released on Thursday, which means that it is at the end of the week. And these are going to be fully fed manufacturing index and unemployment claims. Both of the events are expected to one of the fully fed manufacturing index is expected to drop down, and on the other hand, unemployment claims are expected to increase from the previous month. So overall, this is going to be both of the indicators are signaling that the dollar is likely to stay weaker. While on the other hand, if we speak about another busy day is going to be Friday, because the flash manufacturing and services PMI are going to be released not only by the European Union but also from the UK economy as well as from the US economy. So until then, we do not have any that kind of major economic event which can drive some massive fluctuations in the market. So therefore, we have to keep an eye on the technical side of the market. So with that being said, if we move back to the 1 hourly time frame, as you see here, the market has formed a sideways pattern. Market is not able to violate the resistance level of 1967, and right now the initial resistance that the gold prices can face is going to be found around somewhere around 1943 level, 1950 level, while on the higher side the next resistance is likely to be found around 1967 level. And we can't say whether there is going to be a bullish trend or a bearish trend, but we have to wait for market to violate the upward trend line as we see here. Below this particular level, which is providing support right now at the level of 1931, we have to wait for the market to give us a closing below 1931 level. Let's do this. Let me highlight this level for you. So below this level, which is 1934 or 1931, if I must say 1932-31 level, violation of this level can give us selling trend until 1910 level. And this becomes something around this can offer us something around more than 180 pips, which is a good movement to capture. And like on the lower side, if market continues to drop below 1910 level, the very next support level is likely to be found around this particular upward trend line level, or we can say the double bottom level, and this is going to be found around 1977, or you can say 1984. So these two levels are going to be there. We can decide depending upon what kind of candles gold is forming, if there are sharp or strong bearish engulfing candles or bearish Marubozu candles, we can expect that there is going to be a continuation of a selling trend in the market. However, on the other hand, if we speak about the breakout or the violation of resistance level of 1950 level, on the higher side, the next target for gold is likely to be found around 1967 level. So guys, above this level, as soon as market violates 1950 level or 1967 level, the next resistance is likely to be found around 1980s and 2K level, which is definitely the psychological resistance level for gold. If we speak about the leading and lagging indicators, they are not confirming anything, because whenever we have a phase of consolidation, market like these kind of technical tools are not going to work, because investors are like just trading sideways, and this can show us buying trend at one moment, and at the very next moment it can show us a selling trend. However, we need to wait for a breakout on the higher side or the lower side in order to confirm whether there is a upward trend or the downward trend in the market. Because if you see on the 1 hourly time frame, 50 pairs exponential moving average is holding around 1944 level, while the gold prices are tossing above and below these particular levels, and they are not confirming whether there is a buy or sell. They are just consolidating. Likewise, the MACD is also forming very small histograms which are not confirming anything, and at the same time the RSI is also tossing above and below, as you see here, above and below 50, which means that investors are having a phase of indecision. So therefore we have to wait for the market to show us a clear trend. However, until then you have to keep an eye on the levels that we just spoke about. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You should also click on the bell icon button, because as soon as I post next video you will get the notification and you will not miss any trade setup from our side. And you can also have we can have if you have any questions regarding gold or regarding anything about the forex trading, you can just comment below in the comment section, and I will get back to your comments. So guys, that's all for now. I hope to see you tomorrow with the next update. Have a very profitable week ahead. Bye bye everyone.